Dear children, today you are going to listen to The Thief's Story, Chapter 2, The Supplementary Reader. The Thief's Story is one of the well-known stories written by the famous Indian writer Ruskin Bond. In this story, the writer shows how the reformation of a criminal is best achieved through love and understanding rather than punishment. The story focuses on basic human values and relationship. It is easier for a thief to rob a greedy man, but seems difficult to rob a careless and honest person. The story is about a 15-year-old thief. He used to change his name every month to stay ahead of the police and old employers. This time, he called himself Hari Singh. Hari Singh was a young boy of 15. He was a thief as well as a cheat. At a wrestling match, he came across Anil. Anil was a 25-year-old writer who was living his life very carelessly. Anil was a struggling author and did not earn much. Hari Singh won Anil's confidence and came to his house as a servant. Anil told him that he could employ him as a servant provided he could cook food and would not ask for regular salary, as he himself did not have a regular job because he was a freelance writer. He said he would only feed him. Hari Singh did not know how to cook. The first meal he cooked for Anil was so bad that Anil threw it to the dogs. But Hari's appealing smile made Anil give up his decision to turn him out. Hari Singh did odd jobs for Anil. In the morning, he made tea and then brought the day's supplies from the market. Often he made a profit of a rupee a day out of these purchases. One day, Anil came home with a bundle of notes. He told Hari that he had earned 600 rupees by selling one of his books. Hari saw him keep the money under the mattress. His evil spirit aroused in his mind. He decided to steal that money. After taking dinner, Anil slept calmly. Now, Hari Singh crept to the bed and slipped his hands under the mattress. He got the money and ran to the railway station to catch the train to Lucknow. But he missed the train. He wandered through the bazaar. It was raining and Hari was completely wet. There was a conflict in his mind. He did not want to betray the faith of Anil. Moreover, Anil was teaching him how to write and add numbers that could transform his life. He thought that without education, he would remain a thief. But education might help him to achieve his goals. He left the railway station. Heavy rain was going on. A chill wind was blowing. He felt guilty as he had cheated an innocent person. His shirt and pyjamas wedged to his body because it was wet due to the rain. Hari Singh had a change of heart. He decided to return to Anil and keep the money under the pillow. He reached the room and placed the money back and went for a sleep. The next morning, he woke up a bit late and Anil had already made his tea. Anil offered Hari Singh 50 rupees and told him that he would be paid regularly. Harry kept the note in his hand. He realized that the note was still wet from the rain last night. Harry got to know that Anil had come to know about his misdeed, but he did not exhibit any anger, guilt, or sadness on his face. But Hari Singh knew that Anil would be sad not for the loss of money but for the loss of trust.